Welcome to Microfocus Education. In this short video, we will demonstrate ticket classification, a powerful feature introduced in SBM 11.7 that helps users to complete forms and classify work items. Using machine learning, Workcenter can analyze the information a user provides and suggest values for fields on the form based on historical data in the system. And we will demonstrate how ticket classification works. After that, we will look at how to configure this new feature for your application. Let's submit a new issue in the IDM project. These fields are configured for ticket classification, which will predict the appropriate value based on historical data. Next, let's supply a title for this work item. And now I'll click the magic wand icon next to Team Lead. The correct value has been predicted for this field. The predicted value for this field is entered automatically. Next, let's add the other predicted values in this form. The system has provided values for these three fields. Now, let's close the work item. And next, let's launch the Application Administrator to see how we can set up ticket classification. You'll find ticket classification under More. Start by adding a new model. This model will be for the data field named Help Type. For this model, we will select the IDM app and IDM project and include subprojects. Next, select the input fields used to predict the output value. Here are the possible input fields. Let's use the title and description text fields. Next, select the output field that will hold the predicted value. And here's the output field. Only one output field can be specified per model. Finally, here's the transition where the model is applied and where the magic wand icon and Predict Field Values button will appear. You can use the model on multiple transitions if needed. In this case, we want the Submit transition to be where ticket classification occurs. Let's save our new model. Next, let's skip ahead. And here are the three ticket classification models that were used in this demonstration. Once the model is saved, you need to train it in order for the Workcenter to predict field values. We need to train each of our models. It is also best practice to periodically retrain models to update them using newer data. Note that training is CPU intensive and can impact system resources. Consider using the scheduler to train in off-peak hours, or consider using a dedicated server. Now, let's refresh the display. We can see that all three models have been trained. The accuracy score represents the prediction success for trained items. Now, let's close the Application Administrator. This concludes our short video on ticket classification, an exciting new feature that is just the first of our machine learning implementation coming soon. For full documentation, visit help.sarina.com.